Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding page numbers on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In the document editor, click on Insert from the top toolbar. Now hover over Page Numbers. Here you can choose which page number system you want. The two options on the left are if you want the page numbers to start on your first page of Docs, and the two on the right are if you want the page numbering to start on the second page of your document. You would select this option if your first page is a title page for a presentation or something like that. You can choose whether to have the page numbers displayed on the top or the bottom of the page here. Page numbering has now been added to this document. You can add some text or formatting to the page number styling here. For example, I will add the word page before the number. You can change the positioning of the page number by using the Text Align tool. Click Options and then Remove Footer to delete the page numbering. If the first page of your document is a title page for a presentation or book, when you go to insert page numbers, select the one which doesn't have a number on the first page. The numbering will then start on the second page of your document. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Drive tips and tricks.